the proposal for enhancement of salary.
A nationwide Gau Pratishtha Andolan is being carried out to elevate the cow to the status of Rashtra Mata by moving cow protection from the state list to the central list in the constitution and to make India free of cow slaughter. As part of this movement, a Dhwaj Sthapana Bharat Yatra will take place from September 22nd to October 26, 2024. The Yatra will visit the capitals of all Indian states and union territories where a sacred Gau Dhwaj will be installed. Yesterday, the HYC staged a protest against the Yatra, and today the HITO has sent a letter to the CM urging to restrict the Yatra in Meghalaya.
Dogs and cats are included, not a cow. These people, that intention, we allege from the organization that they want to make to create trouble, especially in October in the month of Durga Puja. So we condemn and we ask the government not to allow these people. But if they allow, we have no option, but we will raise our flag. That is the